Hi everyone, well it's springtime here in Kings Park and all the flowers are coming out. We have a festival from the 1st of September till the end of September. Lots and lots of people come up here all the time videoing them and photographing them. We also have memorial drives, which you will have seen a bit of in this video, where soldiers from World War I and II, they've got plaques along the road. So I've videoed a couple of those just so you can see them, and hope you enjoy all the flowers, because that's what this video will be about, just the flowers. So catch us again and have a good week. Cheerio, bye. One thing you're not allowed to do up here is walk in amongst the flowers, and some people that are up here at the moment thought that they could because they just thought they could, but you can't, you know. Now, even though I'm only here like the 2nd of September, it's slightly early for some flowers. There'll be a heck of a lot more out in another week. people close up to it are getting wet from the spray. It's nesting season at the moment, so you don't hang around the magpies too long because they like to peek your head. That was supposed to be peck your head. Today is the 4th of September and it is Father's Day today for all the fathers in the Southern Hemisphere. It's very cloudy because we've had a lot of stormy clouds, a bit of rain. Yesterday was a magnificent sunset because we had rain and then blue skies. We're looking for food. Standing at the end of the jetty, there's not a single soul here with me, and it's so quiet and peaceful if you block out the traffic in the background. Beautiful sky clouds to give us that formation. It's always so pretty down here, just seeing the reflections of the trees on the water, the old branches. Hi everybody. Well, I don't know if I told you before, I'm at Wireless Hill. When I got here this morning it was pouring with rain. I climbed up the tower and took some footage of the skies, and now the sky is perfectly blue because I sat in the car and had a conversation on FaceTime with some friends, and by the time we'd finished it had become beautiful. I love this tree, I love the branches on it. Wireless Hill is an old communication place, which I've done a video on previously, but the wildflowers are something up here. We haven't seen the full potential of them until today. Catch us again soon. Cheerio. Well, I decided to come up here today to take a photo of the black sky all around, but while I was driving up the hill it just all bucketed down and then turned to mist. But I'm going to climb up that tower and see what I can get. Well, I made it up to the top. Luckily I'm using a stick. This is our skies at the moment. Dated 7th, I think, September. And it's raining. Skies were really black before. And now the skies are blue. Can't believe how blue the skies have got. I'm waiting for him to dance around. Oh, here we go. This is Applecross Jetty. And that's the old jetty there. I'm just on my way back from being up on Wireless Hill. I thought I'd come down here and get some close-ups of the water. Well, I just thought I'd say goodbye. I'm out catching some vitamin D while I can. So cheerio till next time. Bye.